Hi, everybody. Dr. Mark Foley here. Moving on with how to do some basic stuff on the bass. Now we're doing it in the context of a two-octave F major scale, which means we're involving shifting, moving from position to position. There are some techniques involved. I'll try to go over some main ones. For your fingerings, try to have at least two notes in a position so that you're basically going up in pairs. So here's an F, here's an A and a B flat. That's my first pair. Then C, D in a pair, and then E, F in a pair. Back down, pairs, like that. That way you won't be shifting to and from the same note. That'll make things kind of unstable and not as fun to play either. Keep the string down as you shift. So don't lose the bass by coming off the string. That makes the bass a moving target, really hard to hit accurately. That's hard. So as I go up, my first finger is holding the string down, and I'm sliding up, not jumping, lunging. I'm sliding. The string is down all the way. Then I don't have to push the string back down when I land. String is down. Like that. Anticipate with your whole body. So don't just kind of use your arm. You might need to change your whole center of gravity to get to the place that you want to go. So I'm going to move my back, my shoulder, my arm, balancing over where I'm heading. Again, moving like that. That's going to make it a lot easier. You're putting your weight behind what you're doing. Always a good move for bass. Don't shift too fast. That can make you anxious. It can make the music sound anxious. Like jerky like that. You actually need to be really patient on a shift. It's kind of counterintuitive, but Newton's laws make it so that you use less force if you go a little slower. I'm being really patient on those shifts. You might want to try that. One last thing. If you're getting stuck, if it's hard to get from position to position, if it's really jerky, it's probably because your thumb is pressing really hard. You're squeezing with your fingers rather than doing what you want, which is to use your whole body to pull the string down. Feel this natural gravity coming from your back, from your hips. Your bicep is involved here. So that will make it easier. So try not to squeeze with your thumb. Best thing would be to have a bent thumb at all times. I know that's hard to do. It's hard to show too. Yeah, there we go. Bent thumb. Play on the tip of your thumb rather than flattening into the string, into the neck like that. I think that's all I have to say for now. If you have any questions, though, please email me. I'm glad to answer questions. That's my job. You can click on the link below to get a score with my fingerings on it. That might be helpful, too. In the meantime, thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate it.